Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sumit and I'm thrilled to have you here for today's video. Before we dive into the main topic of today's video, if you are new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to ring the notification bell icon so you will never miss out our future content. So now let's jump into today's discussion, today's video. So this is my third video in Salesforce integration. And in today's video, we'll be going to see that how do we make a SOAP request from Postman in order to add multiple records. If you have gone through my previous two videos, in previous two videos, I explained that how do we establish a connection between, how do we test a SOAP request from Postman to Salesforce. And in the second video, we discussed about, I demonstrated, we discussed that how do we add one record in an object. So in today's video, I will be going to show you that how can we add multiple records in the same object, or how do we add records in two different individual objects. And if we want to update, how can we perform an update operation by using SOAP API. So these all are the topics we are going to discuss in today's video. So, and regarding the previous two videos, I'll share the link in the description. You can go through that and let me know if you need any help with that. So let's begin and let me share my screen. So let me switch to Salesforce. So here's the this is the last code we written where what we did where we establish a connection and we add a record in an object in a Salesforce object that was a SOAP test account. This was the record we created successfully in a previous video. Now, if I would like, in order to add one more record in the same object, so if I want to add multiple records in the same object, what I have to do is I'm going to copy this code. I'm going to copy this code, paste it, and the object name is URL account. Let me change that and let me change this as, let's say, test account one and phone number as, and this one I change that test account two and phone number as, and now I'm going to make a request. So as soon as I click on send, you can see the process. Basically, the request has been sent to Salesforce and the process completed successfully, and we got the confirmation 200 OK. And we can quickly go and check in the account object. So this was the record we created previously. Now, when I refresh, you can see a two new account registered successfully here. Now, if I would like to update an account, so basically I just want to update any particular account. So in order to update any particular account, what we have to do is, let me modify this code a little bit. First of all, I'll remove this one. And in order to update, so instead of create, we'll be using update command. And let's suppose I just want to update the test account one, and I would like to change its phone number. So we need to pass the record ID for this. So I'll copy this ID. And in order to update, we have to pass ID here, ID uh, slash ID. And I just want to set the phone number as, I want the phone number as, let's say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Name is not needed because we are already passing ID. All other details I don't require. I remove other details and we click on send. Now, when I click on send, okay, error is coming. Let's see what's the error. Okay, we just want to update. So, okay, see, the problem here is, what's the problem? What's the issue? How do we solve this out? Here I said in line number 12, I said you are an update, but I forgot to update this one. This also we need to update. The opening and the closing tag should be same. So this tag also I said is update. And now let's run the request again. And you can see record updated successfully. We got the confirmation message. Let's check it out. account, and you can see the phone number updated successfully. So that's the way we can add record. We can add multiple records in the same object, or we can update a record. Now, if I would like to add records in two different objects, so for this, let me Control Z and create. Yeah. So now I would like to add one record into account and one record into contact. So account, and I want a new record into contact. So here contact, and I'll just change it to test account 3. And here the fields, the API names. So here we have first name, let's say test first name, and last name contact 1 last name. So that's the way we can add records into multiple objects. So let's make a request. I click on send button, and you can see again I got the confirm status 200. Okay, that means the request has been processed successfully. And let's verify that. So first of all, we'll see whether a new account registers successfully or not. So as you can see, a new account has been created. Now let's go and check the contact. So when I click on contact, you can see a test contact 1. This is the same contact register, test contact 1. This contact also registered successfully here. So that's the way you making a SOAP request from Postman, we can perform the operations. So we saw how do we add multiple records, how do we update records, and how do we uh, add records in two different objects. So that's all for the day. If you like this video, or if you found this video valuable, so don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might also get benefited from this. If you have any queries, you can post your comment in comment box below. For customized training, or if you have any sort of training requirement or support requirement, you can reach out to us on the given numbers, or you can drop an email to us, or you can visit our website for more updates. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.